Welcome back to Dollicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today ay gagawa tayo ng isang healthy drink. I'll show you how to make cold and hot blue Ternate tea. I'm simply amazed by this refreshing drink, which can be part of your morning, afternoon, or even evening routine. This plant is called blue Ternate, also known as butterfly pea flower. Let's start now. Kung titikman nyo siya, it has sweet taste. That's why there will be ants or bugs. I remove the green parts and place them into the bowl of water. Just wash them. Nagpakulo ako ng tubig, saka ko nilagay yung 15 pieces niya. Then after a few seconds, I turned off the stove, then cover it. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This flower is good for brain health, anti-aging, skin health, it can boost hair growth, weight loss, and so on. This flower might look purple, but later on, you will see that the water will have a vivid blue color. So after the 15 minutes, sa point na to, sasalain natin and makikita nyo na halos nawala na yung kulay niya sa mismong flower. If you watch my Tasa Cafe video, dun ko siya una nakita. To be honest, hindi ko alam na edible siya. They are growing this flower sa Tasa Cafe kasi pwede siya sa tropical climate like the Philippines. I sliced the lemon to squeeze its juice, which I will be using for my cold tea later. First, let's make the hot tea version. I use 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add more if you prefer it sweeter. But for me, okay na siya sa 1 tablespoon. Sa hot tea, hindi na ako naglagay ng lemon, but you can add naman. I became more interested sa flower na to when I did Bible study sa house ng friend ko. Then I'm surprised, she's also growing this flower at sabi niya ginagawa daw nilang tea and they make blue rice pa nga. Another interesting sa flower na to is hindi siya mahirap itanim sa garden nyo as long as it can get enough sunlight, water, and moist soil. I'm planning to plant this since I have space to grow this. Remember that this is a vine plant, so it needs some support. By the way, you can add this to your rice, salad, pasta, pizza, and desserts too. For the cold tea, I put the ice cubes and the blue Ternate water, and then I squeezed the lemon, added 2 tablespoons of honey. You'll notice that the addition of lemon juice made this juice look purple. I really love the color. Actually, it can be used as food coloring, especially sa mga desserts. So that's it for today's video. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. Please like it, share to your family and friends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. This is Dollicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.